Hi all, welcome to educators.com. I'm Harish, software engineer. In this session, we will learn about the different dialog boxes supported in JavaScript. Here, hi all, welcome to educators.com. I'm Harish, software engineer. In this session, we will learn about different types of dialog boxes supported in JavaScript, like alert, confirm, and prompt. We can open these three types of dialog boxes using the methods of window object. Like alert method has been used to open an alert dialog box, confirm method has been used to open the confirm dialog box, and prompt method has been used to open the prompt dialog box. These dialog boxes are used to display the plain text content, not any HTML content. We cannot set the title of these dialog boxes. So let's explore one by one. Alert. Here is a view of the alert dialog box. It displays an alert dialog box with the optional specified content and an OK button. Here is the syntax is window.alert message or alert of message. Message is an optional string of text which you want to display in the alert dialog box. This means if you want to display any HTML any text content, you can display in the alert dialog box. We can also display the empty alert dialog box if you want. So the message here is an optional. It can be used to show the plain text message to the user. As I mentioned before, it can be used only for acknowledgement to the user. Like, let's say if you want to display any status of an operation, you can display that message to the user using an alert dialog box. It can be used in scenarios like when you want to show the warning or info to the user about the status of an operation. So these are some of the uses of an alert dialog box. Coming to confirm. Here is a view of this confirm dialog box. It is used to confirm from the user whether to proceed further or not. Let's say we have an operation, we want to confirm from the user whether to proceed with that operation or not. The syntax to display the confirm dialog box is window.confirm message or simply confirm method with a message. It takes in one parameter called message. Example, here in the window.confirm, we are displaying the message called, are you sure you want to save the data? So this is all about the confirm message dialog box. Here it has two buttons, OK and cancel. The OK button has the value as true and the cancel button with value as false. So the confirm method will return the value as true or false based on the selected button. So on select of the button OK, it will return the value as true. On select of the button cancel, it will return the value as false, so that you can proceed further. Here we have an if condition where we want to check the value of confirm. Like once if the confirm returns true, we want to execute the if logic or else logic. Here we will display the confirm prompt message saying, do you want to save the data? When the user clicks on OK, the if logic will be executed or else the else logic will be executed. Coming to prompt. Here is a view of the prompt. It is used when we want to take some input from the user for a given operation like credentials or value for a given input. The syntax is window.prompt message and the default value. Here it accepts two parameters called message and the default value, which will be shown in the text box. If you don't specify the default value, the value will be empty. In IE, but in IE 7 and 8, it will be the string as undefined. The return value will be the text entered in the text box. Example, here we want to show window.prompt your name please. So what are the disadvantages of these three dialog boxes? We cannot format the HTML. That means we cannot display any HTML content. And one more thing, it will stop the stack execution. And it will stop the user from accessing the other parts of the page. When this dialog box is open, you cannot process any further operations or you cannot access any buttons or enter the value in the input text box. So these are some of the disadvantages, and apart from the message, the developer cannot provide other options, like he cannot provide the title and he cannot add some buttons to the dialog box. So these are some of the disadvantages of using the dialog boxes. So apart from these dialog boxes which are supported in JavaScript, we have a dialog tag in HTML. Here we can add whatever HTML we want to display, and we can format the style of this dialog box. Here we can style the dialog box and insert any kind of HTML content. The difference is it won't stop the stack execution and will not stop the user from accessing the other parts of the page. Here it supports an open attribute. When this open attribute is used over this dialog tag, it will open the dialog box, or else it will be shown closed. So let's explore some on the code side. Here I created 4 HTML pages to show a demo on this alert, confirm, prompt and dialog HTML tag. So let's start with alert. Here I want to show some message to the user saying record is updated successfully. Okay, so let's check how this will be displayed in the browser. Here you see on the alert, on when the code that of alert is being executed, here it will display the message as the record is updated successfully. So this will be closed only on click of OK button or the cross button over the top. Here let's say again when let's check whether we can access this save button or not on showing of this alert dialog box. Here the dialog box is open, so let's try to click on save. When I try to click on save, it is not accessible, but when I click on OK and when I click on save, it is accessible. You can check the difference. So let's go to the confirm. Here I want to show a message confirm from the user whether I want to proceed further or not. So let's add one if condition saying confirm do you want to update the record. And let's show some alert saying a record is updated. Let's have an else block also where we want to show that the values are reset to default. Okay, so let's check it out. See here it displays the message called do you want to update the record with the two buttons OK and cancel. When I click on cancel, it displays the else logic. I mean else the alert dialog box which has been written in the else block. The values are reset to default. So let's check for the OK button. Do you want to update the record? On clicking of OK button, record is updated. It shows a message called record is updated. So here it executes the if logic. So this is about the confirm dialog box. So let's check it out the prompt dialog box. So let's declare a variable prompt value which will take the input from the prompt dialog box. Say your name please. Let's display that value which has been entered in the prompt dialog box. Hello prompt value. So let's check it out. Here it is asking for an input from the user. Here it displays the message your name please. So let's enter the name JavaScript and click on OK. Here it displays the name. So whatever be the value which has been given in the prompt will be returned as a return value from a prompt method. So let's check with the dialog tag. Here we want to display the dialog box. Using the dialog tag, we use the open attribute and we want to show some display, some table in the with the two rows. First row contains the names of the month and second row contains the number of days within that month. Okay, so let's check it out. Here is the dialog box. Here we are displaying 3 months, Jan, Feb, March, and with the number of days within that month. The difference between that three dialog boxes and the dialog tag is here we can access the save button, whereas in these dialog boxes we cannot access when this dialog box is been shown. Okay, so that's all from this session. Thank you.